To make your own custom lock screen design in Canva with an aesthetic look, I will come to Canva's homepage and here I will click on more. Okay, and after that I will go to phone wallpaper, and the process which I am going to share is fully free to use, and you can create it with a Canva free account. So let's start with this. So I will go to elements and here I will search heart and click on graphics, click on see all, and as I have mentioned you that I will show you the free process or the free version, so I will click on this three dots here and go to price, click on free. Okay, and after that scroll down to find this one which says blurred heart shape. Okay, and I will use this and I will make it bigger, and I will just center it, make it more bigger, and this is the size which I will be keeping for the first time. And in this color here, choose the color, this one, this light blue color shade, and as you can see the color has been changed. Let's duplicate it and first center it and then make it smaller, and let's change it to white color now. So as you can see, when you try to change it to white color, it is turning into gray color, right? So how to turn it into white color? So I will go to edit here. Now after coming to edit here, just scroll down to duotone, and here I will find custom, right? And here change both the highlights and the shadows to white color. And as you can see, now you got the perfect white color, right? Now you middle it, and when the middle center part is done, now I will click on Ctrl plus A in the keyboard to select both the layers and click on group. Okay, and after that duplicate it and make it smaller. Okay, place one like this and another time duplicate it and place like this. Okay, so as you can see the effect is here. This two color format is done here, but what if I want to make it a three color one? So I will just click on add page, and after that again I will add this one. This time I will make it green color. Okay, and I will just make it bigger. This time I will keep the main part in here only. I will not make it so bigger like the other one. Now after that I will just duplicate it and make it smaller. Okay, and I will change it to a cream color. So for that I will select this one and I will make it slightly creamish color, light. Okay, like this you paste here, and after that just copy it, make it smaller and change it to deep pink color, which is you will find it here. And just make it smaller again. And now decrease the brightness or the intensity of the pink color like this. Again make it smaller. and now you keep it like this. Now for the background part, I will select this green color, and now I will decrease the intensity part. Okay, like this. I will keep it. Okay. So this is another wallpaper design which you can make using this Canva. So I hope you learned both the process and both the background design. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which type of tutorial you want to see next. Thank you.